Hey, hey, hey. Welcome back, people. Welcome back to episode 2 of the AI Hedge Fund Show. I know we've been gone for a minute, but guess what? We're back. For those who've been wondering how the latest AI has been faring out in the wild, good news, guys. It's been killing it. Green day after green day after green day until we hit a red day. Year to date, specifically for two of these strategies that I've been trading on Collective2, we are up around 5%. That's like just 4 weeks of trading, and the strategy is up already by 5%. So imagine where this is going to take us. We can. So some details on where these strategies stand. Specifically, so machine learning one we've been trading for close to 3 months now, and it's still in a drawdown, gradually coming out of that drawdown. And as you can see, for the last 1 month, it's been slowly making its way back, right? A smooth equity gap coming all the way up. And for machine learning 2 and 3, these are strategies we launched about 4 weeks ago. Specifically for machine learning 2, you can see the cumulative return over the last 30 days is around 4.5%. Fantastically good. Machine learner 3, it's better, it's slightly up compared to 2, and it's around 5.2%, also over the last 30 days. Fantastically, both strategies doing fantastic. And I guess it's worth mentioning that the subscription price for all these three strategies have been set to 0. It's going to stay at 0 for the rest of October, going to stay at 0 through November and December. And then we're only going to start increasing prices from 1st January. So basically the pricing is going to be every week, every month that a strategy ends up in the green, we increase prices by $20. So that's a cumulative pricing. And for every month that it ends up in the red, we reduce prices by $20. This is basically to make sure that as people gain, they share with the strategy operator. You don't have to pay the same static fee over time. And if the strategy starts doing badly within periods, you pay less, which should probably keep you subscribed going forward. So yeah, that's how the strategies have been doing. In terms of the other C2 scores that we're trying to match, it seems we've been doing pretty bad on all these. So our overall C2 score seems to have gone down for the two new strategies. Initially, so 2 weeks ago, we were ranked 63 of 100 for the two new strategies, but now they've fallen by 1. And Machine Learner 1 seems to have maintained this score. Hopefully we can start climbing up the ladder so people notice us, because yeah, we've been doing great compared to other long short equity strategies out there. So in terms of popularity, that also seems to have plummeted over the last 2 weeks. 2 weeks ago, machine learner 1, the 2 and 3 were pretty popular, above the average strategy on C2. But now I think we're in the bottom quartile of strategy views. I don't know why. We've been doing pretty good over the last couple of months, but I guess we need to give it 3 months before C2 itself starts promoting us. So that means for strategy 2 and 3, we're 2 months away from getting automatic displays. Strategy 1, I think now we're about a month away from popping up on C2's rankings, and hopefully the popularity shoots through the sky. Let's see. And so other sets of updates. So basically the strategies are trading as expected. Returns that we are accruing over time are just as we've seen in the back there, so that's pretty good. Over 4 weeks, we've achieved around 5%. Multiply that by 50 weeks, and that's like 1% a week. We're looking around 50% a month. That's if you're just adding. If you're taking into account compounding, that just blows through. So yeah, you're on track to gaining the number 1 spot in C2. And I also started an Etoro portfolio. I guess the C2 community seemed to be more into futures and options, so I was a bit worried that we might not get the traction we want out there. So I'll be launching a new series that tries to exploit the same sort of mechanisms that a model exploits in the general market in a much smaller set of portfolios. Basically S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 firms that is easily tradable on Etoro, and we will start following the strategy as well. But it's going to have its own video series, so that comes up soon. So keep an eye out on the channel feed. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button so that YouTube starts recommending these videos for other people, and join us on this outstanding journey. Let's see what the AI can do in these markets. Thanks for tuning in. See you next week. Ciao.